Alright, this right here is my 2011 Eastern Grim Reaper frame. Alright, we're gonna start at the front. Alright, got Federal grips, kind of wore down. Got fly bars, 8 rise, Sabrosa stock stem, Eastern forks. I painted them orange though, pretty sucky, but they're alright. They're hollowed out. Have a fit stock rim in the front. Traded my friend. I have a Eastern cranks, Shadow Conspiracy, Scream sprocket, a regular chain. What's that? Eastern pivotal seat with an animal pivotal post. The back rim is a Cameron company back rim. I don't know, weird brand. And the pedals are 2 mismatched pedals. And yeah, that's my bike check.